Hello. In this short video I will demonstrate improvements in editing capabilities provided in online version of Untitled Business Manager. In this version we have implemented two improvements, so let's start with the first one. When we open any editing form from the list view, now it opens a bit faster thanks to this. So if now I'm in translation projects window and I click on translation project, and this project opens up faster than in previous version, thanks to this. For example, in this customer field, customer is already selected in this translation project, and here we do not have drop-down menu, drop-down combo box for selecting customer. Instead, we see a link with the name of the customer, and we can click this link to open form of this customer. And those fields where some value is not selected, they still are presented by default in editing mode, so you can open drop-down box, select some value here, then click save, and next time when I will open the same project, this field will be opened by default in view mode only. If you wish to edit value in such read-only field, there is now a new button. It's placed here, edit button, and you can see that it switches all read-only editors to edit mode. So if we open the form and find out that we need to edit some value in read-only field, then we can click this button and all fields will be switched to edit mode as it was before. It gives some performance improvements, but maybe not very significant. And another improvement which we have implemented in this version is much more interesting and allows to achieve much better productivity. It's about editing in tables. So when we open some editing form of project or invoice or job or whatever, and this form has some nested table, for example, as in this example, I switched to job tasks of a project. Here, previously, when we have clicked on some row here or some cell, a pop-up window appeared like this, and it took time to open the window, edit something, click OK. This is still possible by using this button, edit button, which can be found in each row. But additionally, we have implemented in-cell editing. So editing table is now much faster. So I can click right in quantity field, for example, provide some value here, amount already calculated. So I say I want to change price as well, increase hours, decrease price of an hour, and you can see that some also calculated on fly when I do edits, and all changes are not saved until you click save changes here, and you can see that overall amount still here is not the same as here. So I click, for example, save here, it saves the table and recalculates totals. So in one click, all changes made in your browser window will be sent to server, and all necessary calculations will be done in one step instead of doing this each time when you edit some individual row. So batch editing and additional read-only fields allows to a bit make form loading faster and data entry faster as well. So I hope you will like it, and We will continue to look for ways how to improve it further.